Let us understand the step-by-step process of creating a project WBS in Strategic ERP. Navigate to the Project WBS form under the Project Management module. You can create Project WBS using two methods. In the first method, you can fetch details from Client Management module. In this case, client proposal to be executed, which will create auto entries in Project WBS. Alternatively, you can create an entry directly from the Project WBS form. Select the project name and subproject name. Enter the Project WBS name and Project WBS ID. Select the levels from the drop-down. Data will be fetched from the Project Engineering Details form. Enter the WBS sequence number if applicable. Under the WBS Activity tab, select the activity-wise level and enter the activity name, description, total quantity, unit of measurement, lump sum rate and total days. Lump sum amount will be auto-calculated based on the lump sum rate and total quantity. In case of client management, if you need a bifurcation between main client activity and sub-client activity in Project Engineering form, select the client activity. The client activity name will auto-populate based on your selection. Enter the client activity percentage for the activity. Select the budget head, if applicable. The budget head amount will auto-populate based on your budget head selection. If any amount is allocated, the budget head allocated amount will also auto-populate. The available budget will auto-populate based on the budget head amount and allocated amount. You can select the manual start date, if applicable. The activity end date will auto-populate based on the manual start date and total days. You can also import activity details directly from Excel. Another method to create a project WBS is through Rate Analysis WBS. Check the Rate Analysis checkbox if activities are to be performed under multiple Rate Analysis WBS. Select the From WBS IDs. WBS activities will auto-populate based on your selection. You can view the copy from activity as Rate Analysis and New Activity Code post-approval. To generate a new activity code, select the project code, subproject name, activity levels and activity ID. Based on your selections, a unique activity code will be generated automatically. The process of creating a project WBS is now complete.